Looks like there's two.
Some significant damage as parts of the Twin Tiers deal with strong winds and rain, and the cleanup continues tonight. Good evening, everyone. I'm Janae Parrott in for Zach Wheeler. Thank you for joining us for 18 News at 5. Well, we had severe thunderstorms this past Friday night, and there was even some damage caused by it. But the storm's not what you might think it may be. And that's our top story tonight. Our 18 Storm Team meteorologist, Austin Evans, has more on how the damage was caused, and he joins us live in the studio with more. Good evening, Austin.
Thank you, Janae. 18 News was alerted to some storm damage in Horseheads from Friday afternoon's severe thunderstorm. When we arrived at the scene, there were trees down on Middle Road near Mark Twain Golf Course. Crews were working on clearing the debris from some property and the road as well. To find out what caused this damage, I spoke on the phone with Brian Greenblatt, meteorologist at the National Weather Service in Binghamton. Here are his thoughts on the event.
So straight line winds sometimes can be sometimes more impressive than a tornado, in that it can be more widespread. Tornadoes are more confined area generally, and straight line winds can extend several miles out. So.
To give perspective on what Brian touched on, a severe thunderstorm has criteria it must meet before being declared as such and a warning be issued. Either of the following must be met. A severe thunderstorm must have winds greater or equal to 58 miles per hour sustained. Hail must be at least 1 inch in diameter, either observed or radar indicated. Tornadoes are almost always associated with severe thunderstorms, though not all severe thunderstorms produce tornadoes. The damage in Horseheads was caused by straight line winds. That is the belief of the NWS Binghamton. So what are straight line winds? Straight line winds are the result of the thunderstorm downdraft and can often be more damaging than tornadoes. The damage will usually lay in a similar direction and is usually more widespread, up to a couple miles even. Straight line winds can knock over trees, damage roofing, and snap power poles. The National Weather Service defines damaging winds to be 50 to 60 miles per hour or greater. As always, if you have questions regarding this or anything about weather, feel free to ask me and I will answer. For now, reporting in the studio, Austin Evans, 18 News.
Thank you, Austin. And keeping with our weather coverage, according to Woodlawn Cemetery caretakers, last week's storm took down several trees inside the cemetery, which is why the gates to Woodlawn were seen zip-tied shut. They spent a good portion of the day clearing the paths of debris. Thankfully, no graves were damaged, and Woodlawn is the well-known resting place of local celebrities like Mark Twain and Hal Roach.